Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your device name on an Android device. So for this video I am using a Huawei Nova 7i, but if you guys are using any other Android devices this should work. So actually before that, why do you want to change your device name? So let's just say you are now sharing your personal hotspot, and so that when it actually appears on the other device that you're actually trying to connect it to, this will be the name that displayed, and it's the same goes for Wi-Fi direct, Bluetooth, and many more. So it's actually pretty easy to do. First of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll all the way down to about phone, which is right there. Click that, and the first option, as you guys can see, device name, you're going to click that, and right here you can actually change your device to whatever you want it to. So let's just say you want it to be, I'm just going to put something in like hi, let's just say. And now whenever you connect your device, you can hit OK. And now whenever you connect your device to, let's say, personal hotspot or Bluetooth, this will be the name that shows up. So yeah guys, if you guys have any other tutorials, do let me know in the comment section down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.